Well, I'm Wayne Jennings. I work for Comfort Systems USA Mid-South. I've been with them 36 and a half years. And I tell you, I see some great kids coming through this thing. We've hired some of the great kids. I've seen some of these other contractors hire some of these great kids, and we're excited about it.
We're involved for our own reasons, and like everybody else, the shortage of work and the shortage of young people. But this program in particular has been our best program that we've been involved with. The way they handle it, the screening process, the daily routine of the kids here is just unbelievable. And the product that they produce is really good. The kids that leave here are prepared, ready to go to work. Not only do they have their craft skills, they've got their soft skills. They can speak, they can present themselves, and this is just a joy to come interview these kids and take position with press them.
Well, like you said, first Marathon's involved because of our interest and our dedication to the younger generations. When these students take the initiative to get into this program, they're making a commitment. Most people, when they're aspiring to be something else, these kids are aspiring to be construction workers, and for the longest time ever, that's kind of unheard of. But now that they can see they can make a great living in there, and they can make a good living in the construction field, we're invested in that. We're invested in them because they're invested in their future. So by means, we're invested in their future as well. As a guest instructor, I've actually seen a lot of growth through some of these students. One of the biggest things in the younger generations that we run into is the soft skills and the getting to work on time and the yes sirs, the yes ma'ams, and things like that. All that's gone away. But when I started the first time I guest instructed over here at the academy, it was yeah and okay and this, that, and the other. And by the end of the year, just earlier this week, they were yes sir, no sir, and they were on time, and everybody was in their seat and they were quiet. And I mean, it was a complete change of a classroom by all means.
Finished the morning session, we announced all the kids that was getting employed. And then, right there at the end, we got all the kids together that didn't have employment, which was about 10% of our kids. They come down here, started talking to contractors, and probably 3 out of the 10, right at 3, were offered employment right here on the spot. So now we're at like 93% employed, 94%. So it works out.